going to introduce the formula that we are going to use in the future to study any circuit, any electrical wiring, any electrical installation. We are going to use the Ohm law. The Ohm law. Why Ohm? Because Mr. Ohm was the genius that formulated that formula. This is in electrical installations. What is the genius of the mechanical designs? Mr. Newton.
Mr. Newton.
And what is the genius of the hydraulic systems? Monsieur Pascal. No? Okay, in electricity, the Ohm law states that the voltage is equal to the intensity times the resistance. In mechanical, what is the formula? Force is equal mass times acceleration. And you remember what is the formula of Monsieur Pascal in hydraulics? Pressure times area. All of those, because this one is force. The voltage is the force. The amps is intensity, is flow, is amperage, is current. The resistance is ohms, is drag. And this is the magic formula. The other formula of Mr. Ohm is this. The power is equal to voltage times the intensity. This is power.
Watts.
And this is volts. And this is intensity. What is the unit of power?
Watts.
Watt. What is the unit? Volt. And this is amps. That's okay? What is the unit of power in mechanical systems? The horsepower, no? Horsepower. And can I convert mechanical power into electrical power?
Yes.
Mechanical power and electrical power, 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. We are going to memorize that formula. We are going to use in millions of applications in this program, that unit, to convert horsepower into electrical power. Give me a simple example where you can use that formula today. Give me a good example that you can apply that formula today.
A generator.
In a generator, no? Suppose that I found that in Craigslist a good generator for a good price, only $300. It's a generator of 15 kilowatts. Pay attention. I found that a generator 15 kilowatts. But the guy said in the advertisement, the generator is good except the motor. The engine is broken. You need to replace the engine for a new one. And the guy said, I don't have manuals, I don't have information about the generator. You need to replace that engine for another engine to fix it and start the generator again. The $1 million question is, I need to replace that engine for other one with the capacity to start the generator again and produce 15 kilowatts. How much should be the power of the engine in horsepower? You understand? I need to replace that engine for another engine in the market. But the question is, what is the horsepower of the new engine appropriated for that generator?
20 horsepower?
I say that 1 horsepower is equivalent to 746 watts. Actually, my generator have 15,000 watts. How much horsepower are? Is 15,000 divided by 746. How much is that?
20.
20. I need a generator of 20. I need an engine of 20 horsepower. And bingo, I solved the equation.